Meron kaya.
I already said she's the woman to beat. Kahit sino kandidato nila dyan. Ay, ang problema lang, baka dayain.
Who do you think can beat Vice President Sara Duterte in 2028? Meron kaya.
I already said she's the woman to beat. Kahit sino kandidato nila dyan. Ay, ang problema lang, baka dayain. Tsaka wag lang kayong kampante kasi alam niyo naman ang eleksyon. Sila, marami silang pera. Magni-negative vote buying yan dito sa Davao. Bigyan ng pera mga tao para wag nang bumoto. Kailangan ng Davao mag-turn out ang tao 90%. Minimum. Boto talaga. Mindanao. Mahirap eh. Do not underestimate these politicians. They all want to stay in power, the BBM, kasi doon ang racket nila. Doon ang racket nila eh. Wala na. Zero tolerance for corruption. Yun lang ang gusto ko. Sabi na, ambot.
Are we hoping, attorney, nga si current commissioner karon sa Pamela, mahimo siyang limpyo during the...
Kinsa si George Garcia? Palingkod maganin niya si Yeda Romualdez as nominee disqualified na, fourth term na. Kung sa'y malimpyo. Limpyo yung naong. Iya naman siya. Hinintay talaga nila akong mag-retire eh. Diba? Kasi di-disqualify ko talaga si Bongbong. Because he was convicted 2 times for tax evasion, diba? Puro kayo, bayaran daw natin ang tax. Eh, bayaran muna ni Bongbong yung 203 billion estate tax sa Marcos estate. Bayaran niya muna yung income tax na he was convicted for. Tapos tayo, pag hindi daw tayo nagbayad ng tax, ikukulong daw tayo. Kung 5 milyon pala kami, hindi magbayad ng tax, ikulong nyo kami. Lahat saan nyo kami ikukulong? Pasakyon mo kami barko, dito mo ikulong sa barko. I will recruit. Example lang ha, example lang. Anong klaseng statement yan from the government? Ikulong nyo kami lahat pag hindi kami nagbayad. Kung mag-civil disobedience sa mga tao, this is real. This also happened during the Ferdinand Marcos term. Nag-civil disobedience sa mga, imagine the inflation rate during martial law was around 70. Ngayon, ang 100 pesos mo, it's only worth 73 pesos. 73 pesos. It's not 100. That's why, dapat ang tatakbo ngayon with Sara Duterte are people who are honest. Who will not want power for themselves. Saka, naniniwala naman ako kay VP Sara eh. Pag sinabi niyang zero tolerance for corruption, gagawin niya talaga. And I met her today face to face. The first time. Because the first time I met her, she was a witness in my court. She was registering hugpong. So she appeared in my court as chair of hugpong. This is the only time I met her. Kanina yung face to face.